Have you ever wondered how your favorite little chocolate-covered treats, M&Ms, are made? I'm sure you've heard that they are made with love, at least according to the ads. But do you really know the process of how they come from cocoa beans to the colorful candies in your hand? Inside Factory Present, how they make 1 million M&Ms each day. I do, and I'm here to share with you my findings from exploring the fascinating journey of M&Ms. From the different factories around the globe that produce billions of these little treats every year, to an inside look at the high-tech machines that churn out each one of them, I'm here to tell you everything there is to know about M&Ms, their history, their production process, and even their environmental impact. Are you ready to take a journey with me and explore in detail how M&Ms come into being? If so, then let's dive in. A history of M&Ms production. You may know that M&Ms have been around since 1941, but what you don't know is just how these colorful chocolate treats are made. To get a better understanding of the process, let's explore the journey of an M&M from start to finish. Did you know that when M&Ms were first created in 1941, production was very different from today? At the time, 6 or 7 people hand-packed and wrapped each individual piece of candy. Now, with advancements in technology and machinery, an entire factory is devoted to producing these iconic treats. Today's process begins with the ingredients. After arriving at the factory, these ingredients are measured and mixed into a liquid before being cooked and cooled. This paste is then passed through a machine to form tiny pellets, which are then colored and coated with a layer of sugar candy shell. Finally, these coated pellets are passed through another machine to give them their distinctive shape before being inspected for quality assurance. After this rigorous process has been completed and approved, the M&Ms are packaged up and sent out to be enjoyed. The ingredients of M&Ms. What's the secret behind these delicious, melt-in-your-mouth treats? The exact recipe is top secret, but we do know what ingredients M&Ms are made of. It all starts with milk chocolate, which is mixed with a variety of ingredients like cocoa butter, milk solids, and cocoa mass to create the famous M&M center. The center of the M&Ms candy is coated with a layer of colors made from artificial dyes like red 40 and yellow 5. These powdery pellets are then surrounded by a hard sugar shell to create the chocolate-covered treats you know and love. And that's not all. Other ingredients like corn syrup, sugar, and various types of stabilizers and emulsifiers are also added in different recipes to ensure every batch is consistent in taste and texture. All in all, making these simple yet iconic candies requires a well-orchestrated process with precise measurements for each ingredient so you can enjoy your favorite flavor with each bite. The manufacturing process at the M&M factory. People often wonder how M&Ms are made. We are here to explain the manufacturing process from start to finish. M&Ms start off their journey in the M&M factory with a lot of ingredients like chocolate, sugar, corn syrup, and cocoa butter that are all combined into a chocolate dough. The dough is then molded into small pieces that look like the familiar M&Ms shape. Were you aware that M&Ms come in a variety of colors? The colors come from various food dyes that are added during this molding process, and each color is carefully monitored and regulated. Once the colors have been added to the dough and have been molded correctly, they move on to their next step, coating. The M&Ms pass through a machine that spins the pieces around to put a thin layer of sugar and cocoa over them. This coating helps maintain the shape of the candy, but it also gives it its iconic crunchiness when you bite into it. Packaging. Lastly, the candy-coated M&Ms make their way through another machine where they are sorted by color and then packaged accordingly. That's how all those individual bags of colorful M&Ms at your local store were made. Quality control at M&M production facilities. Once the ingredients of the M&M have been combined and shaped into its signature shape, it is time to review the product for quality. Quality control is one of the most important aspects of M&M production, as any slight variance in their creation can affect the entire process. Automation. At each M&M production facility, automated machines are used to ensure that each candy is evenly coated and meets quality standards. For example, a vision system inspects the coating of each M&M. Anything that doesn't meet the criteria is rejected before it goes any further. Reviewers. In addition to automated robots and machines, there are also human reviewers that look over every product with eagle eyes. They ensure that the shape of each candy is correct, check the coating consistency, and identify any imperfections that need to be addressed before they can be packaged. By having automated robots and human reviewers examining all products at every stage of production, M&M's can guarantee delicious quality treats every single time. Innovations in M&M production. You might not know it, but Mars Incorporated has been continuously investing in modern technology to make M&M production faster and more efficient. This means that the same quality of M&M's you've come to expect from the brand is now made with fewer resources. So what kinds of innovations have been used? Computers. Computers and software help Mars Incorporated monitor important factors such as temperature, speed, and pressure while still maintaining the highest standards in safety and quality. With a computerized system, engineers can also create new candy combinations faster than ever before. Automation. When it comes to making your favorite treats, automation definitely plays an important role. The equipment used in M&M production includes automated chocolate tempering tanks to ensure an even consistency throughout, coating machines to give the candy that delicious crunchy shell, and high-tech production lines to speed up the process. Mars Incorporated is constantly looking for ways to reduce waste and increase efficiency without compromising on taste or quality, so you can rest assured that your M&Ms are made with care and sustainability in mind. Packaging and delivery of M&M products. Once the actual M&Ms are ready, it's time for packaging and delivery. The M&M's factory is busy and hectic, filled with hundreds of workers carefully packing each bag or box with colorful and tasty treats. Every product is meticulously inspected and sealed before they're placed in a box or bulk bag and sent off to stores, ready to be devoured by eager fans all over the world. The process of packaging and delivering the M&Ms is quite fascinating. In order to ensure quality control, every single bag or box has a barcode scanned as it travels along the conveyor belt. This helps track every piece of candy that leaves the factory so they can be traced if needed. And because the M&Ms are small and light, shipments can arrive quickly without much danger of damaging them during transport. As such, large quantities of candy arrive within days in stores all over the world. Conclusion. We hope that after reading about how M&Ms are made, you have a newfound appreciation for the hard work and dedication that goes into preparing these colorful chocolatey treats. It's truly amazing to see how each individual M&M is made, from the early stages of melting cocoa beans to the last few steps of packaging and shipping. With this insight into the process of making M&Ms, next time you enjoy an M&M, you can take pride in knowing you are partaking in a timeless tradition of chocolatey excellence. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and share your reviews and comment and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos.